Bulavinaka, my name is Carolina and I'm a Mbulania. For me, happiness means joy. I get joy in receiving my passengers on board or with my children every day. The Mbula spirit would definitely be something that's warm and welcoming always and freely given. I use it every day in my life, at home, at work. Everything and anything, really. The world is in need of the Mbula spirit. It's something that that can spread happiness and benefit everyone. Yes, speechless. I'm happy. Yes, I'm very privileged and honored to be named a Mbulania. And I'm grateful for the experience to represent my family, my work colleagues, and Fiji as a whole. Do what makes you happy, you know, whether it be spending time with your family, that's for me, or, you know, going out there, reading a book, taking a walk. Yes, do what makes you happy.